This is a pretty interesting problem. It's a word problem, and it's on page 250 in our textbook. The reciprocal of half a number increased by half the reciprocal of the number is 1/2. Find the number. Oh, this half and reciprocal and all that stuff gets a little bit tricky. So first of all, start off with the number. And what is it? We'll let it be n. All right, half the number. What do you think that would be? N over 2. You could say 1/2 n, but it's easier if you use n over 2. All right, let's see. The reciprocal of half a number that we're talking about. So reciprocal of half the number. Well, if half the number is n over 2, the reciprocal of half the number would have to be 2 over n. All right. And then they talk about the reciprocal of the number. There's the number, so the reciprocal of that would be 1 over n. And then they talk about half the reciprocal of the number. Half the reciprocal of the number. Whoops. Number. So if the reciprocal of the number is 1 over n, half the reciprocal would be 1 over 2n, or half. 1/2 times that, which would be 1 over 2n. Whoa, all of these things in the problem. What ones are they using for the equation? All right, the reciprocal of half a number. Okay, 2 over n. Increased by, well, that means add, half the reciprocal of the number. Half the reciprocal of the number. That's down here, 1 over 2n. And it equals, or is, 1/2. So now, all you have to do is solve that. First thing to do is figure out what is the LCD, right? You know that. That would be 2n. So multiply 2n times each part of the problem. 2n times 2 over n, plus 2n times 1 over 2n equals 2n times 1/2. Whatever I do on one side of the equation, I do on the other side. Now you can reduce. You see what happens here? 2n, 2. And then neaten up what you have. 2 times 2, so I have 4, plus 1 equals n. Oh boy, that's easy. N equals 5. Find the number. N is 5. And you could put the 5 in all these parts and see if it checks out if you want. 2 over 5 plus 1 over 10 equals 1/2. Well, common denominator. That would be 4 over 10 plus 1 over 10 would be 5 over 10. Reduces to 1/2. Hey, it works. So, good luck with these word problems.